Alright, so I was told there was an RSX at the next location. By the pictures, it looked like a decent car. Got what I came for. This is a 02 and this is a 06. The car's all taken apart because we're going to do something later on in the channel, but for the meantime I'm just collecting parts. That way it's ready for when I start. I drilled the hole for this light. Everything looks flush. Now, if you can tell, so this hole right here was the original one, and then this hole down here was the original one. I'm guessing that the last owner went ahead and drilled them out a little bit wider. I'm not sure why he did that, but I had to do this one and I had to do this one right here. The easiest way to go ahead or to go about in doing that is put paint on those two. The other two actually line up. As long as you get this little corner plastic inside that little where it goes, you get those two little studs aligned, and then you just press on this, and this paint will transfer onto the car. That side will leave the paint. You'll just drill the holes. Now make sure you start off with using this little press pin. Put the back bumper and it should be complete. I'm not going to do the wiring for this. Have different plans for the car, so it'd be pointless for me doing that. So let me put this on, put the bumper on, and let y'all see how it comes out. Everything aligned pretty good. That's it for this install video. Y'all have a good one.